In primetime news this evening, high-powered weapon among 5 firearms seized in Montego Bay, St. James.
Robbers make off with close to $5 million from Western Union location in St. Andrew.
And later, why Vineyard Town residents are crying foul. Good evening and welcome to primetime news. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International, that's in the Cayman Islands, or online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, Proven Properties is expanding its presence on the North Coast. I'll tell you about that and more in the Business Day.
And Renardo is here to tell us just how Australia expanded their dominance against the West Indies today with a preview of what's coming up in sports. Renardo.
Definitely not good news. Well, the historic day-night test at Sabina Park will live long in the memories of West Indies supporters after the team got bowled out for, hear this, 27 runs in their second innings, and former reggae boys call for more help for those in need. We'll have those and much more in Primetime Sports.
An unwanted record and it hurts me so much.
I can only imagine. Now, Romaine is here. Will there be rain tomorrow, Romaine? Will we have cricket, lovely cricket, sunny skies?
We do have sunny skies in the forecast, Janella. We do have sunny skies expected for most of this week. There are some isolated showers expected, especially across sections of the west on Wednesday when a tropical wave moves through the area, but generally dry conditions are forecast for the east.
Sorry, I know it's only like 2.5 days so far, but the match finished. There'll be no cricket, lovely cricket. The match is ended. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, here's our feedback question.
And okay, you love this one, Gio, as well as Renardo. We are asking, what are your thoughts on the performance of the West Indies team in the current series against Australia? Well, as we said, it has ended. So I am looking forward to hearing those comments, Gio.
And our viewers can share them online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica or post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.